Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing looking Rinnegan sword design. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step process of how you're going to do it. Very easy and simple to do. So first of all, I'm going to set up a radio question for you guys. So if you know the answer to the radio question, put it in the comment section. If you do not know, watch the video to the ending. I'm going to put the answer anywhere in the video. And without wasting much time, I'm going to show you the resources which we're going to use. So on the right here we have the resources that you guys are going to use to do it, or rather we're going to use to do it. I'm going to put the link to download these resources in my description below. And alright, let us start. So I'm going to bring this first resource. I'm just going to bring this right here. So I'm going to go to trace bitmap, quick trace. And here we have a quick trace. So once I've done that, we're going to ungroup it. So ungroup all objects, and that's it. So we're going to delete the parts which we do not need, and this goes. Alright, so we're done with the first step. So the other thing that we're going to do, we're going to now change the color of it. Just going to highlight everything entirely, take it closer to it. So this is fine. So the outside part is going to be black, which of course is black, but I would like to give it this particular black. I'm going to give it a purple outline, which is this purple right here. You can see it is a purple RGB 153 for G0, for B 204, and that is this one right here if you want to locate it on your color palette. So this purple, sorry, I'm going to give it an outline, that's the fill. So I'm going to right click on it to give it the outline, and I'm going to increase the outline to, let's say, 1.5, and it's good. So also I'm going to select this other part, give it the same purple color, likewise this, and then the inner part I'm going to give it a black color. I'm going to give it a purple outline, which is the same, right click on it. I'm going to increase the point of the outline to 1.5, and this looks good. And this looks good. And then the eye over here, we're going to delete it. So this eye, we don't need it. We're going to delete. We're going to create another eye. And to create it now, we're going to go to our ellipse tool, hold your control to draw a perfect circle, and let's draw a smaller one at first, and that's good. So now hold your shift key and drag, so as to drag both sides, then right click so as to be able to paste it. See, very easy and simple to do it. So we're going to do the same again, hold your shift key and drag and right click, and that's done. So each circle will be a bit bigger than the other circle. So we're going to do the same thing one more time, which is the last time, a bit bigger, and right click, and this is good. Well, if you look at this one here, the smaller one, same is the same size, so we're going to increase it a bit, and that's good. And likewise this, increase it a bit, and this is good. And so on the bigger circle, we're going to select it and give it a purple color, which is this. It's going to cover everything, but it's nothing to worry about. So we're just going to hold your control and page down to take it to the bottom of the page. So while holding your control, press the page down key, as this. Alright, that's been done. We're going to increase the outline of each of them. So let's say so same 1.5 should be fine. So each of the circles, so we don't need to change the color for the other circles, just the outermost circle that needs to be changed. selected the wrong circle. It isn't selected. Okay. Then this, the same 1.5, and the smaller one, rather the smallest one, 1.5. So then we're going to go to the biggest circle, go to interactive fill tool, and then we're going to go to the elliptical fountain fill, which is this one. That's the fountain fill, up down to the elliptical fountain fill. And we're going to reduce this. I just want it to have this shape, and this is good. Then we'll press OK. So then we're going to go to our 2-point line tool. We're going to draw the eye. So going to the 2-point line tool, we're just going to make a shape like this, this, and this. And then go to, we have to make sure it's connected, all points that are connected, make sure all points are connected. And then go to our shape tool. So then we can start to adjust. So we're going to right click, convert to curve. Let's increase this. And likewise this one, we're just going to delete this node. So it's going to be straight, and then we can right click, then to curve. And we're going to do the same thing again. So this for the eye shape, Rinnegan. For those of you that watch anime, you're actually going to know what the Rinnegan is, rather, sorry. It's like belongs to one of the powerful clans in Naruto. Alright, so now we are done with the adjustment. Just gonna adjust this a little bit like this. And okay. And this is good. So this entire shape, we're gonna reduce it. Let's group it first of all, and then reduce it. Then we are gonna group it, or clip it rather, inside this. Then we can edit, and we can increase the size of it, just the length, and boom, with this, the eye has been done. It doesn't matter, like, you know, how many circles are in the eye, as long as it's the sharingan. So we're gonna reduce this. I'm gonna give it the same outline of 1.5, although it does not really gonna matter because it's in a black circle. So we're gonna put it right here and reduce. Oh, that's too small. I'm gonna increase it a bit. So here I increase it, you're gonna see it. Alright, so here comes we're done with the eye. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so this part we're gonna give it a purple color too, and on this a purple color. And so for the last thing, we're gonna select the bigger part, which is this part is like extending, like, you know, out of the sword. So we're gonna go to our bitmaps, convert to bitmap. The resolution of 300 dpi is okay. I'm gonna select OK for it. Then go to our effects. So I'm gonna go to distort and straight to wet paint effect. And the wetness is 46 points. The percentage is 100 points, and you know, looks like what we want to design. So with this, we are done with the design. But one last thing, I'm gonna get this background. So this, we're just gonna put it on it, extend it, it doesn't really matter, and then go to the back of the page, which is control page down, take it to the back of the page rather. So once we have done this, we're gonna adjust it clearly. Alright, so we want to make sure that the sword is inside the circle. And then we're gonna go to our ellipse tool, hold our control, and draw a circle that's gonna fit this, and this is done. So then select the background itself, or clip inside the circle, and boom. Then we're gonna take the circle to the back, and then this looks exactly like the design. the original design which I made. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.